Alright folks, welcome to Arduino for Beginners. This is Arduino 101. Today we are looking at this touch sensor right here. This guy can be used as a heart rate monitor and other applications like that. We are going to hook it up real quick, but first we need to type up some code. So you're going to need one integer and it's going to be touch in, and you're going to set that equal to whatever pin you're going to choose to use. In my case, I think we'll use 5. That's a lucky number for me. Then you're going to go into your setup. You're going to set the pin mode to touch in, which you just set to 5, to input, not output. We're looking for input. When this device registers high on the input, it will read out that it has been touched, and that's what we're going to enter into our void loop. But first we want to turn on our serial monitor. So serial.begin 9600 for the baud rate. Then go ahead and enter that void loop, and if digital read, we actually want this to be touch in equals high equals high, then serial.println sensor is touched. Then we'll have a half a second delay before we run through it again. So let's go ahead and plug this in. So I have 3 wires on here, and obviously I have the 5 volt, which we're going to plug into 5 volt. I have the ground, which we're going to plug into the ground, and the signal, which we decided was going to be number 5, so we'll plug that into 5 here, and then we will go ahead and plug in the Arduino. And we are going to upload the sketch here. Shouldn't take too long, it's pretty small. And done uploading. So let's open the serial monitor and find out what happens. Okay, so at the moment it is registering touches. So there we go, it stopped because I picked it up here. We'll clear this out, bring it into view, and now you can see that when I tilt it too much it goes off, but when I reach in and touch the sensor, it senses that it's touched and then it stops. So this is working. There are a ton of applications you can use this for, and just so you know, if you can't quite see, I'm actually touching the little square piece, not the LED that's attached to this sensor. So works pretty well, and that's the basic use of it. This is one of our first looks at an input device, and it's pretty interesting because you can do a lot of things just by touch if you have enough of these sensors, and they are, as you can see, fairly sensitive.
Well, that's it, guys. That's going to wrap up this video. If you've noticed a shirt, the merch is available. Go ahead and check out the Teespring merch link down below. It won't be available on a channel store until I reach 10,000 subscribers, and so far I am just about to hit 5,000. So it'll be a little while, a couple more months before you see this on the actual channel, but they are available now. I have a couple other designs. Feel free to pop over there and check them out, and know that any purchase through the Teespring site definitely helps to promote our site here and increase the channel's ability to make videos in the future. So we appreciate all your support. Don't forget to check out the Teespring link, check out our Patreon link, leave a like on this video, and hit that subscribe button because we have a lot more coming at you in the coming days.